This is quite a common issue where the battery gets stuck in the case. What you want to do is first take the frame off the case. And the chassis are obviously the same. And the issue is the handle's broken and the mechanism of this entire, however heavy, 1-2 kilogram battery rests on this tiny little handle screw in there. It's really common to break. So what unfortunately that means is that the battery is locked in here on a little lever. So what you need to do is get a card and basically unlock it using that as a shim. So what does that mean? Well, unfortunately, it means your handle's broken. And it's really common for the screw threading inside there to get lost inside the battery. Now, if I shake this, you'll hear it. So what I'm going to do is open the battery, see what's inside, see if we can take those little, see if we can get the little threading out and fix it. It does void your warranty, so I'm not going to do it on this one because this is still under warranty. And that one has got to go back to Brompton, but let's get this one open, see what's inside. As soon as I lifted that up then, this came out, which is exactly what we're looking for. So you can see where it goes in. And what I'm going to do is just apply a little bit of glue onto that so that it doesn't come out again. While that's drying, I'll show you the pins in which the whole handle operates. One of them's already snapped on mine. Not good. Not good. So there we have it.